Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will learn different topic. The topic name is Save Post. It is my Facebook, and when we use Facebook, we see some videos and posts, and on that time that we are busy in work and different things. Therefore, we don't have time to on sometimes we don't have time to watch this complete video or to read this post, but on later we want to see the complete video or post, but unfortunately it is very time consuming to find this specific post or this specific video, and through this we can't watch it or see it. But in Facebook I have some option, like if you, for example, if I want to read this post or I want to watch any video, I just select save post. I find the post that I want to see. For example, I want to see this post later when I get free, but I don't have time to watch this post or read this post or watch this video. Maybe when I get free I will read this post, so I select save post. Add this add this to your saved item. Whenever I get free, for later only, when I will get free, I will see this post. If I don't do save post, then when I join again Facebook or open Facebook again when I get free, then it is very difficult to find this post. Therefore I saved it for later seeing. How can I find it, this save post? I just click on menu. This is 9 buttons menu. Click on it and go down. You see save post. Find post, photos and videos that you are saved for later. It is under the personal heading, saved. Just click on it. Here you see this post, Levita. I need, this is my post, then I can click on it and watch it, or watch my videos or read my post. The purpose of this save post is whenever you see the Facebook and sometimes you are busy in your work but you can't watch this video or can't read the post, you can just select save post, and when you get free you can see it, not searching it, just click on saved button and you can see your post. The purpose is you don't need to search the specific post or video. You can just get it by clicking save button. Hopefully this video is helpful for you, and if you like this video you may share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.